Hello, everyone, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about mangroves, but more specifically, why mangroves are so important. All right, to begin, what are mangroves? So, as you can see here in these pictures, mangroves are a group of salt tolerant evergreen trees and shrubs. Their thick roots will be partly in the water, but as well outside of the water. They grow in low oxygen soil with slow moving waters. They as well grow along the shallow estuary shorelines into lower portions of the river. They enjoy our subtropical slash tropical temperatures, which means that they're common in areas like Florida, especially Volusia County and in places like New Smyrna Beach area. All right, but where specifically? They are going to be in the nearshore biomes, in the intertidal area, in the photic zones, but more specifically, they will be in the mangrove biome. That's where they are, mangrove biome. All right, now why are mangroves so important? Mangroves are important because their roots trap dirt and sand. This helps with filtering nitrate, phosphate, and other pollutants from the water. So this overall improves water quality. They as well provide wind protection, which helps stabilizing the coastline and overall preventing erosion, which is really important to places like Florida, where we get hurricanes that destroy the shoreline. So this helps with preventing erosion and stabilizing the coastline. They as well form islands, which is something that I thought was very cool and interesting because I didn't even know that. All right, so they're not just important to us, they are also important to nature and animals. They are described as this essential nursery that supplies food and provides habitat for a variety of animals worldwide. They can help certain fish like sheephead or snappers. They also provide habitat and food for fiddler crabs. They can do this for a variety of plants. They also as well do this for reptiles like American alligators, American crocodiles, and as well as cottonmouth, which is a snake that's very familiar to Florida. But not just overall reptiles or insects or birds or fish, but most specifically, like I just said, birds. Like this egret right here on the left-hand side, they provide this nesting area, this nesting place for these birds to protect their young and protect them from predators and different types of animals that will go ahead and eat them. So they overall provide this nesting area for this egret, but as well herons, as we see here in Florida. All right, so we need to save and restore these mangroves because they're so important. One country who's doing a really good job of that is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka does a mangrove conservation project, and this is going to be one country that is not only the largest, but it's the world's first nation to protect all of its mangrove forests. They do this by providing jobs to women who are poor in the country. They help these women with providing a job, and then they're also saving the mangroves. So these women and children, as well as you can see, will replant over 9,600 acres of mangroves, allowing more than 50 times of the carbon intake. This means with so much carbon that it can help make climate change less severe. So by replanting all of these, we are ultimately helping climate change. We are making it less severe. Overall, mangroves are important, and our duty is to help save and restore them. Thank you.